All objects in Altium Designer have properties that are editable from the Interactive Properties panel, which is available in all editors. This video will go over how to properly work with the Interactive Properties panel. This panel is most efficiently located on the left side of the work area, on top of the other frequently used panels. If the Properties panel is closed, it can be opened in a few ways. By using the panel button located in the lower right corner, by right-clicking on an object, by pressing the F11 key, or double-clicking on an object. With the panel open, a single click on an object will populate the Properties panel with that object's information. And if you double-click on an object, the Properties panel will become active. When no objects are selected in the workspace, the Properties panel will display workspace options, like units of measurement, selection filters, etc. As soon as an object is selected in the workspace, the Properties panel of the selected objects are displayed in the Properties panel. The Properties panel is able to edit not only single, but groups of components at once. For example, if you select two objects at the same time, tracks for instance, then the common properties of these selected objects will be displayed in the Properties panel. Parameters with differing values will appear with an asterisk. If different types of objects are selected in the workspace, for example this via will select in addition to these tracks, then only their like properties will be displayed. In this case, that is the net, location, and mask information.